Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. You know, it's spring. It is beautiful here. The sun's shining. Temperature's cooled off a little bit, but it's not too bad. And I have been on a lemon kick. Today I want to make for you something that I gave a test run a few days ago and they were amazing. And I call them lemon-filled poppy seed corn muffins. Can you see that picture? They are delicious. But we're going to get started and I'm going to show you how I make them, and they're so quick and easy to do. So I'm going to prop up my recipe right there so I can see it. We are going to start with 1 cup. These should make around 24 corn muffins, and really they're not really cornmeal-y, if that's a word. They're really muffiny, and they're so good. Now I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I've got a mini muffin pan that I have sprayed really well. You know, if I bake them, I want to be able to get them out of the pan. You've heard me say that so many times. Okay, so that was the buttermilk cornmeal mix. You know, I used that. And I'm going to use a cup of self-rising flour. Now, if you want to use all-purpose flour, plain flour, as you may know it, you would need to add baking powder, baking soda, but look that up for the measurements because I'm not exactly sure. So I want to stir this together. Now I need I'm doubling my recipe. I want 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So they're not overly sweet. They have enough sweetness in them that they're really good, but they're real lemony, yet they're not tart. We like the tart. They've got some tartness, but not overly. And then we want a pinch of sea salt. I love sea salt. And it will dissolve. That's about a pinch. Have you seen the measuring spoons that have a pinch, a smidge, a dab? I need to get some of those because I'm always using just a pinch or a smidge. Okay, so I want to stir my dry ingredients together so I can get it distributed evenly. So, okay, that's stirred together. Now, next, I want to add 2 lightly beaten eggs. I use extra large. You can use large. I just prefer extra large when I'm cooking. And then we're going to add our olive oil. I have 4 tablespoons of an extra virgin olive oil. You can use a light olive oil. That's up to you. And I have 1 cup of buttermilk. Now, if you're using, this is the light buttermilk. I couldn't find whole buttermilk. So if you're using whole buttermilk, it may take a little bit more because it's a lot thicker. So if you try to make this and you say it's too thick, that's why. Just add a little more or add a little water to thin it down. And our buttermilk. Now I'm going to stir this together just a little bit. Just get it started. And now I'm going to add my lemon juice, which is 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use fresh squeezed, you can use from the bottle, it doesn't matter. It's all good to me. And I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Lemon and poppy seeds just go so well together, don't they? And we're going to keep stirring that together. And I'm going to add some lemon extract. I want to know this is lemon. So I want to add 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. You know your cap is a teaspoon measure. There we go. This is coming out to be such a beautiful batter, guys. Now looky there. See what that batter looks like. Can you see all those little specks of poppy seed? Wow. Okay, so let's move some of this stuff out of the way. And I have my muffin tin. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to fill these all the way up. I want to leave room. I'm going to come back and put some lemon curd. Not lemon curd. You can use lemon curd, but I'm using pie filling. So I want to just fill them up. This is like, I think it's like a 1 tablespoon scoop, and that's all I'm putting in the bottom. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to finish them and then come back. Okay, so you see, I've just done a few here. Now what I'm going to do is take my lemon pie filling. This is left over from another lemon dessert. I told you I've been on a lemon kick. And I'm going to take a little bit of this lemon filling. That may be a teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon. And I am just going to dab just a little bit on top in the center of that muffin mixture. Because then I'm going to come back and I'm going to cover it up with some more of this muffin mix, and that's going to be the filling. Can you see that inside right there? See how I've done it? Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish these and show you. I am going to just lightly cover up that lemon filling. I'm not even using a whole scoop here. And then when I get these all done, we're going to bake them in this 400-degree preheated oven 15 to 20 minutes until they're done. I test them with a toothpick and see how they're covered up. And that's what you want to do, because that filling is going to bake on the inside. It's when you cut it open. It's going to be so delicious. Anyway, I'm going to get back. I'm going to get these finished, filling these up, and I'm going to get them baked. I'll bake them 15 to 20 minutes until the center, with the toothpick comes out clean. And then we're going to come back. I'm going to let them cool, and we're going to make a glaze, a lemon glaze. You got to have lemon to go on top of them. So y'all give me just a few minutes and I'll be back with you, okay? I'm back and I've got the muffins out of the oven and they're cooled, and I've got them sitting on this sheet tray. Looky there. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is make a glaze to dip them in. You got to have a glaze for these beautiful little muffins. And a delicious lemon one at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Just measure it roughly. And then I have got 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm going to use it all. I don't want a thick glaze. Now you can make it as thick or as thin as you want. I decided I did not want a thick glaze, so that's why I'm using it all. And I just want a light coating on these beautiful little muffins. And if we need more glaze, we can always come back and make more. That's the beauty of it, right? See that beautiful glaze? If you wanted to tin it, you could with some yellow food coloring. but I don't. I like it just like it is. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I hope you can see me, because I'm gonna hold them up and show you. I'm gonna take my little muffin and I am just gonna dip it, just the top. That's all I want in there. And that glaze is gonna kind of run down a little bit on it. Looky there. See it dripping off, and it's gonna set and it's gonna harden and firm up, and it's gonna be so good. If it one comes over like that one just did, that's okay. So I want to get these finished, and I'm going to come back and we're going to cut one open and let you see what they look like, and we're going to taste it, okay? So give me just a minute and I'll be right back with you. I have finished glazing these little beauties. Looky there. And I am going to try one. I want to cut it open. I want you to see what the inside looks like. Let's look at this one. Look here. Oh, can you see that lemon in there? Looky there. Oh my goodness. Let's try it. Yeah, this is so good. It's not too sweet. It has just enough lemon flavor and tartness. You know you're eating lemon, but it's not puckering up your mouth. If that's what you want, add more. This is so good. Now, I hope, I'm going to go finish this. And now I hope you will give this a try. And if you do, let me know what you think. And I'm excited to bring this to you. You know, we love lemon. And Parker and I talked about that the other day. But anyway, thanks for joining me today. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.